Hey there and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you that which one is better, ClickUp versus Notion. I'm gonna make a true comparison between ClickUp and Notion for your productivity or project management needs. This video is for you. I will walk you through key features, strength, weakness, and pricing of both tools, ClickUp and Notion, so you can decide which one fits for your workflow. So let's dive in. Make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comments. So ClickUp and Notion are two of the most powerful productivity tools out there, but they serve different purposes. So ClickUp is built for project management, team collaboration, and also task tracking. By simply clicking on get started, it's free. You can just use their free version, but they also have a pro version. And on the Notion, this is also the same. Just tap on to get Notion free. So, and Notion is more focused on knowledge management, documentation, and flexible workspaces. So let's take a closer look, starting with ClickUp. So ClickUp is an all-in-one workspace. This is really a good productivity platform designed for managing tools, tasks, projects, teams, and workflows. And the key features of ClickUp is task and subtask management, multiple views like list, border, also you can see your inbox, replies, post, and all of these automation tools. It is a really good thing. You can also see your custom dashboard and app integrations to it. Here we can see its calendar, brain, dashboard, clips, and many more from here. Like you can add apps, you can choose out your task themes, and all of these things. You can create spaces, then lists, and inside those you can add tasks. Each task can have subtasks, checklist. As you can see, there's our task, and by simply clicking on plus, you can add subtasks to it very easily. So also there is native time tracking and goals to it. And ClickUp is best for larger teams and businesses that need detailed task management, reporting, and automation. And now let's head over to Notion. Just simply tap on to get Notion free and you will be able to log it into it. So Notion is a flexible platform for note-taking, knowledge bases, and light project management. It shines when you need to organize documents, database, wikis, and more. As you can see, this is a previously made project that I just made randomly. You can see and look after it. You can change images, you can add images, cover images, etc. Even you can add emojis right into it. Also, you can add comments to it. So the key features of Notion is that it has custom templates, databases, page linking, blocks for everything like text, media, embeds, real-time collaboration, Notion, AI for automation, and writing help. Let's talk about the interface demo. The UI is minimalist. On Notion, you can build workspaces with project management templates, habit trackers, or custom dashboards. Everything in a drag and drop block system. Just you can go and choose a file, then drag it through here, and you can paste it here. Okay, as you can see, it has been added to here, and you can also embed a link with these files easily. And this is best for because Notion is great for individuals, creators, or small teams that want a flexible and built workspace for organizing ideas and documents. And if you talk about voiceover plus a split screen, then let me explain them. So let's focus on main focuses is ClickUp's main focus is project management, and Notion's main focus is knowledge management. And now let's move over to task management things. So ClickUp has advanced listings and boarding options to it. You can see this all of this listing and boarding options weekly, daily, monthly, and etc. You can also add more boarding options by simply clicking on this. You can rename it and many other things. You can use Google Drive, spreadsheet, box. You can use Figma, GitHub, and Todoist, etc. to ClickUp easily, very easily. And on the other hand, Notion's task management is basic with databases. And let's talk about automation. So you can use robust in ClickUp, and on the Notion it is limited to use automations. And if you talk about databases, ClickUp's database is basic, but Notion's base is really powerful. And if we talk about collaboration, ClickUp has a strong task and goals management. As you can see, these are really advanced type of managing interface. On the other hand, Notion also has a strong live editing. Okay, you can just edit anything live from here. You can see them. Okay, and if we talk about templates and customization, then ClickUp has moderate templates and customization. On the other hand, Notion has very high customization, like templates and customization. You can use templates right from here. You can just tap onto this plus icon, then you can just scroll down and you can add images, videos, audios, code files, web bookmark. Also you can add table view, board view, gallery view, and many other things. For me, I'm gonna just add a gallery view right now, and here you can see you can add new page to it. You can add a comment, you can add tags, you can edit the date created. So let me find out this. Okay, let's delete this database for now, and let's add an image to it. Let's scroll down and tap onto Google Drive or any other thing. Like, you can import files from here also. For now, let me find the option of, okay, let's find the option of image. You can just add an image simply by clicking on here. You can also add table view easily. Let's tap done. So as you can see, this is how you can add table view also. So as summary, I would like to say that you can use ClickUp if you need structured task project management with advanced feature, and you can use Notion if you want full control over how you organize content and information. So ClickUp has free forever plan. It has unlimited plan, which is $7 up per month per user. Also business offer is $12, which is you have to pay annually. And Notion also has free plan limited to 10 guests, and plus plan is $8 a user per month and $15 a user per month. Both platforms offer free plans good enough for solo users or small teams. So now let me know in the comment section that which one you would like to use. And that's it for today. If this video helped you, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.